Welcome to the M6 panel. With just this one M6 screen panel, you can control most operations in your business. This single screen, the M6 panel, can save you time, keystrokes, and mouse movements. This tutorial will illustrate the features of the M6 panel. Look at rows 1 and 2. You will find menus, lists, reports, etc. depending on your login ID. Each user's login ID may contain different lists, menus, and reports. For example, when you click Available Tags, a list will appear in the list box on row 3. I will do that now. There are unused cells available for your custom requirements. The M6 panel is very customizable and can constantly be updated. Row 3 contains the quick list. The quick list now shows the available tags in inventory. The quick list displays various lists or reports depending on which cells are clicked. For example, if a form tab is clicked as it is now, it will display the line items in the form. Use the scroll bar at the far right of the screen to scan through the list and examine the contents. Click the word Quick List here to open the list as an Excel spreadsheet. Row 5 contains the form names assigned to the current login ID. Different logins will show different forms. Clicking a heading will create a new form. Below the headings, there's a series of data. These are referred to as the form tabs. The form tabs show the form number and the customer or vendor record ID for the form. Each cell in row 7 shows the number of open forms and, if applicable, the total value of the open forms. Notice the total number and the number of outstanding unpaid invoices for all the customers. When you click a form tab, you can access the form and 3 things happen. First, a drop-down menu appears in tan. Depending on the type of form that you have clicked, the menu options will change. For example, if you click Open, the actual form will be displayed on your screen. You can then edit, print, or email it. Second, the line items on the form will display in the quick list that was highlighted earlier, starting on row 3. And third, column B will contain the heading data from the currently clicked form tab. Click a field name in column B to edit the data. You don't have to jump around to many different screens to do so. Just one of the many benefits the M6 screen will provide you. For example, if you click a capitalized field name in column B, the master file record associated with it will display in column A. I'll click Customer. You can view the contents of the customer master file record in column A. As with column B, you can click any of its fields for editing or selection. Also in column A, when a form is created, your customer list is updated here. Clicking the customer name will filter the panel to only display that customer's form tabs in inventory. Once finished, simply click All to return to a display containing all form tabs and inventory in your database. I will display that now by clicking Olympic Co. You can now see the filtered form tabs and inventory list. Click All to return to all customers' data. Next, we will talk about the inventory list. Notice the yellow list box at the right of your panel. Each tag currently available in inventory is listed here. The tag number, customer, product code, thickness, width, length, weight, and piece count for each tag is shown. If the tag has been reserved for future processing, the processing order number is also shown here. The normal sort order for the list is by tag number. Click the down arrow in the light yellow cell above your inventory list on row 7. By doing this, you can now sort your inventory list by tag, customer, or size. In the cell next to the down arrow, you can type the tag number to find a single tag by its tag number. You can type a thickness, which will give you an upper limit to hone in on a range of tags within that thickness. Or you could also search by the width of a tag. You can also click tags from your inventory list box. 4 things will happen when you do so.
First, you will see the detailed tag information found in column B. Next, in the quick list, you will see the customer part history as well as the customer material purchase history. Third, you will see a weight and a tag count of selected tags from your inventory. And fourth, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to put the tags selected onto a new pro order, a new shipment, or add tags to an existing pro order or shipment.
This tutorial is now completed. The goal of the M6 panel is to maximize efficiency within your business system operations. Thank you for watching this tutorial highlighting only a few of the many benefits of the M6 software.